What is up, you guys? So today I'm going to be doing another wig install by the company name that you see on this adorable bag that is just so me, DYHAIR777. Here's your hair care card that gives you instructions on how to care for your unit. Also, they give you this pretty rhinestone hairpin that has the word love on it that I will definitely be utilizing as I switch my hair up throughout the week. And now let's get into the specs of this wig. This is a 22-inch Malaysian wig. It's 100% virgin hair. As I comb through the unit with my fingers, it's very minimal shedding, hardly any hair loss at all. This is such a soft unit, you guys. I kid you not. And look at this Swiss lace. That is ridiculous. On the inside, it has combs galore. You got combs on the side, combs in the back, an adjustable strap, and also you have a elastic net and it's breathable. The knots are slightly bleached, but as you guys know, I always bleach my knots, so that's what I'm going to be doing here in just one moment. So enough with the talking, let's get straight into the install.
Delay. Delay.
Alrighty, you guys, I am all done with this wig. In just one moment, I'm going to stand up too so you guys can see the full look of this wig, because it doesn't really do it much justice with me sitting in this chair. One thing I can say, with the density being only 130%, I wish it was at least 180%, because I love to wear the wet look, and it seems like when the hair gets wet, it thins out, and I don't really care for that look, although I don't like thick hair, but this is a little bit too thin for my liking. But overall, it's like, I love the wig. The cap size is a medium. I tried to get them to send me a small, but they didn't have any in stock. The medium actually wasn't too bad, and I could feel comfortable wearing this wig again and not feeling like the wig is going to come off my head, because it's definitely on there and I have no complaints about that. So if you guys have like a small head and the next size up is a medium, I think it'll be just right for your head and you won't have any complaints about it. I also have a $10 coupon code. I will leave that link in the description. Everything about this hair company will be in the description, and everything about this wig as well. And if you guys have any questions or comments, you know to leave them for me down below. And as always, don't forget to slay them edges.